Hey, Dave Knight here at 123daytrade.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. Today is Wednesday, September 26, 2018. Boy, September's flying by. Today is one of those special days that happens a couple times of the year. The inventory report is coming out at 9:30, but more importantly, we have the FOMC statement. That's not worried about it. The FOMC economic projections statement. More importantly, the federal funds rate is coming out at 1. So a day like today, you're hoping that you get your profit early, and then you stand aside, because the market will have a tendency to flatline at some point during the session after the release in front of the FOMC federal funds rate and so forth and so on. So with that being said, you can see that we've traded down to S1 this morning. If we go look at the dailies, working our way down, well, if we can get the day, we're just a minute or two away. So we're on a downtrend. 1 hour, 200 bar down here. 200 bar down at the 70.5 level, it looks like. That's probably good enough for now. Where the hell did that go to? I just minimized that chart. What did I do with it? There it is. All right, so let's wait. The highest volume bar is actually this bar right here, 2026. It came out at 8:34, and we are about, 2 minutes away from the report. So 1 minute away from the report now. So let's jibber jabber for a second. If you can see, I set up 1 hour today is 17, and this 104, actually it's 103. 103 is 5p, so that's kind of what I'm hoping for. But I would settle in for 62, which is 3p. So here's a 3p target around 62. So you can see 1 is 20, 2 is 41, 3 is 62. Risking 17 on the entry, trailing stop, and I'm looking for a 5p target if we can run it. So 100 ticks. That's what I look at that right there. Looking to grab 100 ticks is basically what this trade's about. Blue. 2432 blue. I'm going to take it. They're at 68 right now. Moving to 74. $24.32 at 9:30. Removing entry point right now. $92. 89. 89 to short. Look and see where pivot is. Pivot's at 25. Filled at 88. Went 6 ticks our favor. 71.89 is 68. When 11 ticks our favor. Go ahead and get the break even. Fake out at 83. Fake out at 82. We'll hold our original entry point of 71.89, looking for 71.68 for a 1p move right now. $68 will be our break even. Two P target down is 48. 3 is 27. If you wanted to add, there's an add at 79. If this runs us out, I still like the 79. Removing. $91. Hold. $95. Looking at this high volume bar right there to get back in. $71.95. A 1P move is 74. Down here to the S1 line. Two P move is 54.3. It's 33. There's an add here at 85. Short at 91. Head and shoulders pattern, Ziggy Man setting up. If we don't get higher than that 11. Kind of concerned that we're going to run pivot. Remove. $11 to $18. I think we're still at pivot points trying to run. $08 to short. $08 is 87 on 1. $67.46. Prairie dog. Never saw it hit. Never saw it hit. All right, we're going to go after the 3P target now and be happy with it. $62. And we're in recovery mode if I can get it. It's a GAN signal coming across the charts here. Fourth time through. I believe it's coming down. I just don't know how far we're going to get that downward movement. 72.03 is 82 is a 1P move. .04 to short. Three P move and move it to 71.41. The low is 71.60, so it'd have to make a new low. 2P is 71.62. This just might be one of those frickin' days that doesn't work out. Very aggressive at the beginning of a combine. Especially on my favorite strategy. Alright, I'm going to flatten if it goes above 08. And we're going to go 03. All right, 3P target from 72.04. Damn it, can we get a break today? Is 71.42. Let's double check that. Call it 43. Low's at 60, so I want to see what happens at the low, if we can get there. A 1P move is 83 now. Well, at least we know we've limited our loss down to 32, 31 ticks now. I won't take another trade. There's 1P. Go ahead and lock in a couple here. We'll lock in 3. I like to catch that 200 bar if I can. 2420 red. Is that going to offset the blue? Possibly. $2420 blue at 9:56 a.m. $63 is the next target down. Going for the lows, 63. Then you can see our target right there, if we can get it. So it looks like we're going to be around, taken out, we're going to be around negative 30, about down 30 ticks. So we're going to protect 1 tick. I'm hoping that we can push through the S1 line. We've already been below it before. And I'm hoping this isn't the stop of the down, which right now it looks like it is the stop of the down. Need to get down below here. We're already in a losing day. Let's just protect break even. All right, where did that stop? Alright, now we're going to protect. That went to 7,200. See if we can push down below here and get to the lows. Let's protect this line right here, 7,200. We really don't want to see it come back up. It comes back up now, the deal is done. Hopefully we can run the lows. Got a chance if we can break this 94 line. Need to break that 94 line and then go down here underneath this. $84, not 94. Break the 84 line. Need to get underneath this 84 line. I'm just going to protect 2 ticks from 04. That makes it have to come up 2 ticks off of 7,200. Last trade a day. Win or lose, I'm either going to win a little bit of money, be break even, or lose. Maximum right now is about minus 30. Maximum loss is about minus 30. Okay, we got through it. Now can we go through this line here? Next down target, if we can get there, is 63. And you can see our target down there at the 3P is 42. Quite satisfied with being able to get a 3P move on an economic projection day and economic federal funds rate day, so forth, so on. All right, we're locked. Let's just see if we can win this one now. Or we're going to be at minus 30. We need 63, then hitting the lows. Now, I believe that we can get down to at least the low here. It's 25 ticks away to the low. And hopefully the momentum can drive it to our target. Let's go ahead and lock in 10. Limit our loss now. $63 is a 2P move. See if we can bust through this S1 line now. We've been below it already. Hopefully we can continue to move down underneath it. I'm looking at this. I don't want to go above that 94 now. Ideally, I don't want to go above 63 is 2. All right, what's trailing 17 behind? Let's trail 20 behind. That would be 97.87. Trailing 20 ticks behind now. We'll tighten it up when we get down close to 2 to 3. Low down here at 60. See if we can run it. $65, $64, $63, 2. Made a 2P target there. Let's go ahead and make a positive day out of today if we can. Hold on. $71. Make up our loss. Damn it. The best I could have got was plus 100 there. There was 40 ticks available. The best that I could have done at that point in time was 40. And I'm okay with that because I was making up my loss. I was down 32 ticks there, and I'm still positive. So I don't know what's going to happen. I just know that that's the end of my trading day. I don't like the way that we came off that low right there. I mean, I don't believe that we're done going down, but I don't know how much I would have been able to get more out of that. I might have been able to get a little bit, squeeze a couple extra ticks in there and had a positive. I mean, it ends up being a negative day for me because of commission costs. but it's a positive day overall for me because I came back from down 32 ticks. So I don't know. I think it's going to settle down here now with the FOMC statement, federal funds rate. I didn't like the way it didn't bust through that low right there at 71.60 at that point. It should have went through right there. When it decided not to go through, I thought that something is wrong with this situation, and I just jumped and got out. So yeah, it's a losing day overall for about, what is that? Commission cost 5 times 370. 3.7 times 5 is 18.5. Negative plus 10. $8.50 lost today. That's not too bad, considering I was down 300. I'm going to walk away now. Why am I walking away? Let me make it perfectly clear for those that are watching it towards the end of the day. I'm walking away because we have this in front of us. I was looking at a 3P target up to a 5P target, getting 100 ticks in the move. But once that initial rush is over, the market kind of settles down on FOMC day. So, and I don't like trading it at all, by the way. If this would have FOMC day would fall on a Thursday at 11, that's a non-tradable day for me. That's a day to go play golf, to go hit baseball, to throw football with your boys, go fishing, go do anything you want other than trade. If you see an FOMC day, federal funds rate, and the and the crude oil inventories are coming out at 11, so in other words, there was a holiday in the United States on that Monday, and then the FOMC has a meeting on that Thursday, I'm telling you, that's a bad trading day. It has been. I've looked back at my records on that day, and I only won 2 days out of a possible 20 over my career. So that is below where I want to be on that. So, and in fact, this day right here, FOMC statement, federal funds rate, has been a negative day overall for me as an overall. So this is one of those days that I'm willing just to walk away from if I can get positive. So today is a little bit on the negative side. I could have been a little bit better on my stop placement down there around that mark, knowing that I needed 32. But I wanted to make up my losses as quickly as humanly possible and trade for the next day. That's pretty much what I did today. I just said, I did the old, let me pull that old video of mine up. It's not mine, but it's part of the my welcome to 1 2 3 day trade. That, by the way, I'm working behind the scenes trying to fix the links and work some things in the back, but it's this one, if it'll come up.
Yes, well, we live up by another day. We live up by another day. Yes. Why?
Live to fight another day. So that's my motto on a day like today, even if it does go to the 42 target as a 3P move today. It took too long for me to get positioned properly off of the CLPIT strategy today to effectively hold that trade today, to hold it, because I just, and like I explained, FOMC statement, federal funds rate, these are days that you can pretty much flip a coin in the air right now. And I know for me personally, this is a day that I have lost a lot more than one. All right, that's it. Dave Knight here from 123daytrade.com. Hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm going to render it and put it up on the website. It's going to be up a little bit later because I'm going to pick my mom up. And she's around, and going to just watch my boy play football today, my 7th grader play on the 8th grade team. and just enjoy my day. I hope you enjoy the rest of your week. I'll see you. I'll be trading tomorrow and the rest of the week, and I'm debating about what I want to do in the future. Talk to you later. Well, I mean, as far as live trading or not, I'm still on the fence about that. If I do it, obviously you know that I'll be looking short side only. Talk to you later. Bye now.